So hello again and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's live stream, and as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Also, you can become a member of the channel. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also like and share the video. And again, I'm going to play the video, and just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content. and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. You have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. Gonna have some switches. Have a fan. Some lights. Vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You can see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs. All by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights, another wire for the niche, and mirror, receptacle for the toilet, heated floors, switches, black Wi-Fi. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video, and again, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also you can become a member of the channel by clicking the link to the channel and joining the membership. Again, thank you guys all for tuning into the video today, and I will catch you guys on the next video.